Here's a full day of eating as a 20-year-old gym bro on a lean bowl. I'm 5'9", 157 pounds, trying to get in the best shape of my life. Took my daily supplements and had a black coffee. Breakfast was a banana chocolate chip pancake bowl. Recipe's down below if you want to try. Down 2 rice cakes with honey before going on an easy run. Rehydrated with electrolytes. For lunch, I had a chicken and rice bowl with 700 calories and 70 grams protein. Pre-gym meal was 2 rice cakes with honey and almond butter and an apple. Today at the gym, I hit pull with a focus on lats and biceps. For dinner, I had this beef wrap with 650 calories and over 60 grams of protein. Finished the day with this massive protein ice cream, which was about another 30 grams of protein, bringing me around 3,000 calories and over 200 grams of protein, hitting our goal. By the way, I do not have enough followers to not see every comment, so drop your questions down below and follow for more.